Let's take a look at what comes in a standard Berkeley jet drive rebuild kit. There's quite a few parts that come in this thing. Let's open it up and see what we got. We've got a thrust bearing, 24 ball double roll bearing. Standard kit is going to come with A cut impeller aluminum. You also have options for B cuts, A2 cuts. Comes with a standard stainless wear ring. There's our packing, got 4 rings of packing in there. Let's cut this open and see what we got in this. There we've got a suction piece seal, it's a bearing cap seal. There's your 2 bowl bushings. There's a bowl seal right there. We've got our bushings for the nozzle assembly, snap ring for the thrust bearing. There's a steering tube grommet, forward and reverse cable grommet, new hard anodized aluminum impeller nut, new keyway. There's the bowl end cap, it's called a flow cone there. Let's see what we got for gaskets in here. There's transom housing gasket. There's your insulator for your wear ring. We've got a nozzle O-ring for the stock Berkeley nozzle, basically 94 and older. If you're 94 and newer, you may run a larger diameter, or if you're on a place diverter, that's an additional part. Here is the bowl O-ring. It may be folded up, but it is a big O-ring, goes between the bowl and the transom housing. There's a handhold cover O-ring for the top of the pump. Got a bearing cap gasket. Got a nozzle gasket for the nozzle housing if you're running a split bowl like a 12JG or 12JB model. If you're running a C or an E, you won't use this gasket. Got a new bowl gasket, the 8 bolts. And you also got a new base gasket for it. Once you get all those bolted back into your pump, you're ready to put it back in the boat, get back in the water, and have a great day. Thanks.